wondered how to achieve those striking Halloween makeup looks that you see celebrities and influencers sporting? Halloween is a time of year where we can unleash our creativity, transforming ourselves into fascinating, eerie, or even downright terrifying characters. A crucial part of that transformation? Makeup. Yes, you heard it right. Makeup can take your Halloween costume from average to extraordinary, adding that extra layer of authenticity and spookiness. From the ghoulish pallor of a vampire to the chilling emptiness of a skeleton, makeup can bring your Halloween vision to life. It can add depth and dimension to your costume, making you stand out from the crowd. And the best part? You don't have to be a professional to pull off these looks. With a little patience, some practice, and the right tools, you can create some truly amazing effects. So, are you ready to step up your Halloween game? Well, the good news is, you don't need to be a professional makeup artist to create these looks. Stay tuned to learn how. The first Halloween makeup we are going to delve into is the classic zombie look. Have you ever wondered how to transform into a member of The Walking Dead? Well, wonder no more. We're going to guide you through the process, step by step, so you can look like you've just stepped off the set of your favorite zombie flick. First things first, you'll need to create a deathly pallor. This is where your palest foundation comes in. Apply it liberally all over your face and down your neck, ensuring you look as far from living as possible. Remember, zombies aren't known for their healthy glow. Next, we move on to the eyes. The goal here is to make them look sunken and lifeless. You'll want to use a mix of grays and blacks to achieve this effect. Start with a gray shadow around the eyes, blending it out for a hollow effect. Then, add some black for depth and drama. Don't worry about being too neat. After all, zombies aren't exactly known for their meticulous makeup skills. Now, it's time for the piece de resistance, the blood. You can't be a convincing zombie without some fake blood, right? There are various ways to apply this, depending on the look you're going for. You can dab it around your mouth, smear it across your cheeks, or even let it drip down from the corner of your lips. The choice is yours, but remember, less is sometimes more. You want to look like you've had a snack, not a feast. And finally, to really sell the undead look, add some finishing touches like darkened veins and wounds. You can use a thin brush and some black and purple eyeshadow to draw veins on your forehead and cheeks. For wounds, a bit of red lipstick and black eyeshadow around the edges should do the trick. And there you have it, a terrifying zombie look that is sure to make an impact. Next on our list is the ever-popular vampire look. It's a classic Halloween choice that never goes out of style. Creating this look is all about capturing the essence of the undead while still maintaining an allure that's irresistibly captivating. To begin with, we'll focus on the vampire's signature pale complexion. Achieving this look requires a foundation that is a few shades lighter than your natural skin tone. Apply this all over your face, ensuring an even coverage. The paler the better, but remember, we're not going for the ghostly look here, just the I haven't seen the sun in a century kind of vibe. Next, let's move on to the eyes, the windows to the vampire's soul. For this, we'll be creating a dark, dramatic look. Start by applying a dark eyeshadow. You can choose between shades of black, deep purple, or even a dark red depending on your preference. Blend it well, making sure there are no harsh lines. Then, line your eyes with a black eyeliner, extending it slightly at the corners for that cat eye effect. Finish off with a couple of coats of volumizing mascara to add that extra drama. Now let's talk about the lips. Blood red is the color of choice for our vampire look. Opt for a matte lipstick as it gives a more natural, less glossy look. Apply it carefully, ensuring that the shape of your lips is well defined. For an added touch, you can dab a little bit of fake blood at the corners of your mouth. Just remember, less is more. Lastly, don't forget to add the finishing touches. A pair of fangs and some colored contact lenses can truly bring your vampire look to life. And there you have it, a vampire makeup look that combines the perfect balance of eeriness and elegance. Remember, makeup is all about expressing yourself and having fun. So don't be afraid to experiment and make this look your own. Now you can channel your inner vampire with this chillingly beautiful look. Now we are going to delve into a more intricate look, the skeleton. This look requires a keen eye for detail and a bit of patience, but the results are well worth the effort. To begin, you'll need a good quality white makeup for the base, and a black one for the details. Think of the white makeup as your canvas. Apply it evenly all over your face, being mindful to cover every nook and cranny. Don't forget the neck area as well, to give a more complete look. Once you've achieved a smooth, even white base, it's time to start creating the skeletal structure. This is where the black makeup comes into play. The key to a convincing skeleton look is to emphasize the shadows and hollows of the face, while leaving the higher points white. Start by outlining the hollows of your cheeks with the black makeup. These lines should follow the natural contours of your face, sweeping down from your ears to your mouth. This will create the illusion of sunken cheeks, a hallmark of the skeletal look. Next, apply black makeup around the eyes, creating large, rounded shapes that mimic the eye sockets of a skull. You can add a bit of gray makeup to the edges to give a more three-dimensional effect. Moving on, you can use a thin brush to draw lines down the center of your nose and around the nostrils. These lines should be thin and precise. This will create the illusion of a skeletal nose. And finally, for the mouth, draw a line across your lips with the black makeup, and then extend it outwards towards the cheeks. Add vertical lines along this horizontal line to mimic teeth. This may seem like a lot of steps, but take your time and remember to have fun with it. After all, makeup is an art. With practice, you'll get faster and more confident, and each time your skeleton look will get better and better. With this skeleton makeup, you're sure to turn heads at your Halloween event. Finally, we are going to explore a classic Halloween favorite, the witch. This iconic look has been the star of countless Halloween parties and horror flicks. But fear not, you don't need magic to pull off this enchanting look. Just a few makeup essentials and a little bit of creativity. Let's start off by creating the witch's signature green complexion. To achieve this, you'll need a green cream makeup. Apply this all over your face, making sure to blend it evenly for a seamless look. Remember, the key is to create a natural, albeit green skin tone, not to look like you've just stepped out of a comic book. Next, we'll move on to the exaggerated eyebrows. For this, you'll need a black eyebrow pencil. Start by outlining your brows, making them thicker and more arched than usual. Then fill them in with the pencil, creating a bold and dramatic look. Don't worry about making them too perfect. After all, we're going for a witchy look, not a beauty queen. Now, onto the eyes. We'll be creating a dramatic smoky eye to give our witch a mysterious allure. Start by applying a black eyeshadow on your lids, blending it upwards towards your eyebrows. Then, use a dark green eyeshadow to blend the edges, creating a seamless transition from black to green. Finish off with a black eyeliner and a few coats of mascara for that extra oomph. To complete the look, opt for a deep burgundy or black lipstick. This will add a touch of glamour and sophistication to your witchy look. And of course, don't forget to add a beauty mark or two for that authentic witch vibe. And voila! With this witch makeup, you're ready to cast a spell on everyone you meet. So go ahead, embrace your inner witch and have a bewitching Halloween. So, as you can see, creating striking Halloween makeup looks doesn't have to be a daunting task. We've delved into the eerie world of Halloween makeup, exploring 4 unique styles that can transform you into the creature of your nightmares or dreams. From the decaying elegance of the zombie look to the chilling allure of the vampire style, we've demonstrated that these techniques are achievable with the right tools and a dash of patience. The skeleton makeup, with its monochromatic palette and intricate detailing, showcase the power of makeup to transform the human face into a spectral vision. And let's not forget the witch makeup, a classic Halloween choice that can be as wickedly glamorous or as subtly sinister as you prefer. Each of these styles is a testament to the magic of makeup and the boundless possibilities it offers for self-expression and transformation. With these tips and techniques, you're ready to steal the show this Halloween. Remember, the key is to have fun and let your creativity